What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bobby G, and I got a new video coming out for you today right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show for the folks that want to how to set up your iPhone to automatically be on speaker when you make or receive a call. So without further ado, again, this is for how to set up your phone to automatically be on speaker when you make or receive a call. So without further ado, let's get it. Let's see if we can do this in under a minute, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to first start off by unlocking our iPhone. Then you're going to open up the settings option on your phone. Okay, so once you open up settings, as you can see right here, I've already done that. We're going to look for accessibility. Okay, so right here, you guys see accessibility. You're going to click on accessibility, and then we're going to actually scroll down. Okay, so what we're looking for is this option right here that says touch. So we're going to go ahead and select touch, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this page. And what you're looking for now is this option right here that says call audio routing. Call audio routing, you're going to select that. Now, typically, whenever you select this, it's going to be on the automatic setting right here that you see it is right here that I changed it back to just now. So what we want to do is we want to change this from automatic to speaker. So basically what this is going to do for the folks, if you skip past the intro, is this is going to, whenever I make a call or whenever I answer a call, it will automatically put my phone on speaker, which for me, I don't ever really use the earpiece. So it's easier for me to switch to the earpiece option versus starting the call on speaker. Just makes it a whole lot easier. So if you guys like this video and if this was a helpful tip to you, just do me a huge favor. Let me know in the comments. I can do more of these videos, but this should be about under 3 minutes-ish for you guys to be able to see this, figure it out, and set it up if it's an option that you want to use. It's your boy Bobby G. Thank you guys for your time today. I'm out. Peace.